Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to do a PPSR check report for the anti-car. So for that, just go to the Google and write PPSR anti-car. Then go to this link, Personal Property Security Register. Click on this one. Then click on $2 search. Then click on PPSR car check here for the mobile view. Otherwise, you can just go from here as well. Then enter the VIN number and email address and the card number. So once you put these details, click on show my results. Then this page will open where it says all the results. For example, vehicle results, free from debt, not recorded as stolen, not recorded as written off, and about our car check. And you can get the reference number as well here. And you can click on search certificate and you will get whole big document and you can read through this. This will contain all the information regarding the car. And that's all for today. I hope you know how to do a PPSR car check report now. And this is what you have to do before buying any second-hand car. And thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another video.